Hello, good morning, my dear children. Do you remember me? I am your Parita ma'am, and I welcome you all once again in our online sessions. Do you remember what you have learnt in our previous sessions of English? You have learnt alphabet A to O, correct? So today, first we will revise them and then learn a new alphabet. Okay? Come on, let's start our learning. This is alphabet A. Capital A, small a, Mama A, baby A. A for apple. This is alphabet B. Capital B, small b, Mama B, baby B. B for ball. What comes after B? C. Capital C, small c, Mama C, baby C. C for cat. What comes after C? D. Capital D, small d, Mama D, baby D. D for dog. What comes after D? E. Capital E, small e, Mama E, baby E. E for elephant. What comes after E? F. Capital F, small f, Mama F, baby F. F for fish. What comes after alphabet F? G. Capital G, small g, Mama G, baby G. G for grapes. What comes after G? H. Capital H, small h, Mama H, baby H. H for helicopter. What comes after H? I. Capital I, small I, Mama I, baby I. I for yummy yummy ice cream. What comes after I? J. Capital J, small j, Mama J, baby J. J for juice. Healthy, healthy juice. What comes after J? K. Capital K, small k, Mama K, baby K. K for kite. What comes after K? L. Capital L, small l, Mama L, baby L. L for lamp. What comes after L? M. Capital M, small m, Mama M, baby M. M for mango. What comes after M? N. Capital N, small n, Mama N, baby N. N for nest. What comes after N? O. Capital O, small o, Mama O, baby O. O for orange. So now let's learn a new alphabet, P. Alphabet P. The sound of alphabet P is P. The sound of alphabet P is P. This is Mama P and this is baby P. Capital P and this is small p. P says P. P for pizza. P for pigeon. P for papaya. P for pressure cooker. P for peacock. You know, children, peacock is our national bird. P for pillows. P for parrot. P for piano. And P for pineapple. Let's revise one more time. P for pizza. P for pigeon. P for papaya. P for pressure cooker. P for peacock. P for pillows. P for parrot. P for piano. And P for pineapple. Now I will give you one practice worksheet. This is your practice worksheet. Which picture is this, children? A parrot. P for parrot. So you have to join the dots of this picture with crayon and color it very nicely with green color. You can do this practice work in your English class workbook on page number 20. Okay children, bye-bye for today. Keep practicing, keep learning through videos. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.